if you lot are this lucky. So it's Friday morning. I've got loads of content built up. I've got no time to create or edit it. This is my Friday. I'm going to MOT this little beauty. Morning, Mike. And I'm going to MOT that bike. Look at that. I've got this in for timing issues. Or running rough. So, aces on this one. It's had a 1.8 conversion. Then I've got that to MOT. Then we've got a wet belt to do. Got a 300C next door, which needs a cat, which could be 8 hours. Oof. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great morning. You ready? Get it cut. So we've got the LaserTools timing tools there. We've got a pin in the crank. He's just stripped all this down here. There you go. So now he's got that out. Wait there, Kai. Let me just pull this crank. There you go. That goes there. So there's your crank pulley. Take your belt out. Take your belt out, mate.
Yeah.
Tuck it down. Tuck it down. Tuck it down, Mark. Wiggle it. There you go. How old are you, Guy?
15.
Right, let's get it all timed up. Throw them back together. Oh, no, timed up. Let's get them back together. Come on, let's see what Simon's doing.
Oh, hello.
What's this?
I'm just doing a clutch.
Oh, this is an UK clutch. Look at that LaserTools thingy.
Look at that.
Look at this. Oh, Sean Satchwell's going to love me. If he likes my video, if he watches my videos, he'll see that I've advertised my LaserTools hook. So this is a single man gearbox removing tool. Well good. On a Mini. Dead good.
Big job, but love it.
Big job. There's quite a lot what comes out of this.
There is. There's a lot to take off.
There's
a lot to take
There's
off.
there's a lot to come out. I mean, some people might find them easy, but we use multiple manufacturers. Yeah. Look at that there. Oh, doorbell. Right. We see some magical stuff in this industry, don't we, Simon?
We sure do. We sure do.
Right. I don't know whether I can get my camera in. You hold the torch. Seeing up there, Simon? There. Oh, you see a slice. See, if you shine your torch. Let's see if I can zoom in. Seeing that? Okay, don't move the wheel. Seeing that there? That's your handbrake cable. So what someone's done...
He sent a grinder through it.
He sent a grinder through it, or a hacksaw or something, because there's something wrong with module. Oh, module's broke, so we'll unplug it. And because we can't work out what's going on with it, we're going to cut the cables.
We'll just chop them off.
So, in my theory... These handbrake module. Wait, whoa, hold that there. They've cut both sides. What the jeez? So if you, what is it? I can't give you all the reg. 16 plate, Tucson. Clutch is heavy, and it's got no handbrake cables. Just stop it! If your handbrake's stuck on, take down the module, wind it back, release your handbrake, do a proper job, replace the module, fixed. Cowboys. Twiggy's going to be well upset with me. I've just turned his radio down because I'm recording. Look at his face.
Job's on stop now.
Job's on stop, mate. What are you getting upset at me for?
Motivation's gone.
Right, I'm going to turn up in a minute. Right, I'm going to run. No, I'm not running, really. There's Jack. What a todger. Right. I don't know what this means. Right, some of you are football fans. I don't get football. What does and 5 becomes 6 mean, Liverpool? So, it says cop on reg. So, I don't know what it means. So, let us know. Exhaust. cat. I'm replacing. You can't get these anymore, so he's had to buy a used one. Look at them, I've got to try and get out. They're going to be well funny. So I'm going to cut them off, exhaust off, drill through the studs and get it back on. Should be nice and easy. Sorry, it should be. What? Ace is moving over there. Right, Guy, first wet belt, 5008. This is a big thing, this Guy. Are you nervous?
Ish.
You're not really, you don't care, do you?
No.
Why don't you care?
Because it's a job and I'm happy to do it anyway.
Good lad. Yeah, let's go. Shut up. Hey! What's that noise? Well done, mate. You happy?
Yeah.
Do you know how much you get paid for that?
0.
0, mate.
Because I'm supposed to be at school and I don't care. So.
No, you do care about school.
I don't.
You look. Anyway, would you rather be sat in a maths and English lesson, or would you rather be building that?
Building this any day of the week.
School ain't for some people, is it, kiddo? Look at him. Super proud. Done a great job. And you, mate.
Yeah.
Wait, get me thumbnail. Actually, get over here, Kai, and this will be our thumbnail. There you go. There you go. Wait, up. Wait, down. There. Well done. Sir, there we go. Acer has smoke tested this and this beauty. Look at it. And the gasket split between the throttle body. Can you hear that manifold? You tell me some kind of genius bodgery has gone in there. So you need a square hole inside to a round hole. Let me know if you know what this is. What's this round bit? Put in the comments, everyone. Right, that's it. That's a wrap. End of the week. Oh, fantastic week it's been. Just getting my door down now. It's nearly 6 o'clock. I'm supposed to be home at 5. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate your time watching and stuff. We're getting so close to 1,000 subscribers, which takes us to another level, which encourages me to crack on a bit more and do a bit more for you. But no, I want to thank everyone. I want to thank my work team. I want to thank my friends. I want to thank my family. I want to thank everyone for everyone who's involved. And I'm going to go and enjoy the tough weekend now. Later, taters.